Hello everyone, I got this double end bag 7-inch from Ringside, and I used it for just about a month-ish or so, and the bladder blew up on me at about 20 psi. So now I looked inside a quick peek, and I think the bladder itself is quite thin. And instead of ordering a new one, I attempt to put in this ball inside to replace it because I believe this material of the ball is much stronger. And we'll see if it works. So I have the bladder out. This is what happened at about 20 psi. I'm not sure if that's supposed to be like this. Now I'm going to try to fit the ball in there. Not sure if that will actually work. So I am attempting to slip this ball in back inside. Seems like it could work. Just takes a little bit of wrestling. And actually it was the bladder that came with it was glued in. It's kind of hard to remove. I'm gonna try to get this in there now. Okay, it's in. Let's see if I can inflate this. I'm just gonna cut the video for a sec and come back. Okie doke, I managed to fish it through. Now I'm just going to inflate the ball and see if it works. If it'll replace it, I suspect that if it works, it'll be much more durable. The rubber on the ball is much thicker. As well, I can get some, add some weight to this double end bag. There's nothing wrong with that, I suppose. Okay, it's inflating. But the size of the ball might just be too small. This is a 7-inch bag, and the ball itself, it's just a bit smaller than that. But it seems like it's inflating all right. Okay, so I got it inflated. It kind of works, except for now I've lost the spot for the needle. I would need to make some adjustments, but in any case I think this would be a lot more durable than the latex material, which is quite thin. At 20 psi it blew up on me.